out here in the red pine forest. Brought out my favorite toy and one that you guys should consider if you got some log work to do. This sucker here is a grapple. So this grapple does a lot of things. It helps me haul wood out of the bush, helps me load wood onto the mill, helps me clean up brush on the ground. So great tool. Anyways, what we're going to do today is I've already cut a bunch of trees. I started row thinning the forest. You guys probably have seen if you've seen other videos of mine. So now I gotta start cleaning it up. So I gotta start hauling the wood, towing it with the tractor out to a bit of a landing area, or an area I'm gonna cut it to length. And I plan on doing that here in the winter because it'll prevent much of the ground from getting rutted up and damaged. So figured today's as good a day as any, so why not?